Dear colleagues, as the CEO of IFREMER, I would like to warmly thank our colleagues from NOAA and NSF and from the G7 Future of the Seas and Oceans initiative, who organized this one-month workshop on the global biogeochemical Argo fleet with the aim of linking knowledge to action. We all share the view that sustained and high-quality global ocean observations are mandatory to monitor, understand, and predict the state and dynamics of the ocean and its role in the Earth climate system. Over the years, Argo has become and is now an essential and major component of the global ocean observation system. And I personally feel that Argo is really an outstanding collective and international achievement, and that we all should be grateful to those who started Argo, to those who further developed it, and to those who demonstrated the great scientific value of the data generated by the Argo fleet. Of course, the task is not over, and there is a need to maintain this remarkable observation system and to further extend its capacities. I understand that the scope of this workshop was to keep this collective momentum and to discuss the future Argo program with a specific focus on its biogeochemical component. What about the role of France and of IFREMER? As most of you know, France has been playing an important role in the international Argo program since its inception in the late 90s. Indeed, France has been actively involved in the development of the float technology, the PROVOR and ARVOR floats, especially through a partnership between IFREMER and the NKI company, and through the deployment of around 60 to 80 Argo floats per year. France is also a key contributor to the Argo data management system with the Coriolis data center, and France is actively involved in the international and European coordination of the global Argo program. Today, Argo France, the French contribution to Argo, is part of the national roadmap of large-scale research infrastructures and facilities, and Argo France is implemented by IFREMER together with CNRS and CHOM. At the European level, Argo is organized as a European research infrastructure, and IFREMER is sincerely proud of hosting the Euro-Argo ERIC that federates all European contributions to the Argo program. The French oceanographic community is strongly involved in the ocean, climate, and biogeochemistry research related to Argo, and in the integration of Argo observation and data, along with satellite observation and data in modeling and data assimilation systems. Mercator Océan International, which operates the Copernicus Marine Service on behalf of the European Commission, and which has become more and more European over the recent years, Mercator Océan International plays a key role in this area of data and model integration and assimilation, and in delivering relevant information and services to the public. Looking forward, the new phase of the Argo International Program that includes the development of Deep Argo and Biogeochemical Argo, BGC Argo, is associated with major scientific challenges of critical societal relevance. Climate change and the role of the deep ocean, the oceanic pump of CO2, ocean acidification and deoxygenation, and the evolution of marine ecosystems and living resources. Thus, extending the functionality and the capacity of Argo fleet is a strong priority for IFREMER and for the other French organizations that have been involved in this endeavor since its beginning. The recently completed NAOS project, now standing for Novel Argo Ocean Observation System, has successfully prepared these evolutions both for the technological and scientific aspects. Regarding technological developments, the BGC PROVOR float is recognized as a highly performant float, and this is a strong asset for the future development of a global BGC Argo array. For the next 10 years, France aims at contributing to the BGC Global Argo Array by deploying about 15 floats per year and at continuing to play an important role in the BGC Argo data management system. Thanks to a new project funded by the French government through the Programme Investissement d'Avenir, Investment for the Future, the project is a so-called Argo 2030 Equipex Plus project. And thanks also to a specific plan for scientific investment by IFREMER, the so-called Piano project, this objective is likely to be met for the next 5 years. We are thus looking forward, working as part of the G7 Future of the Seas and Oceans initiative, to ensure, through a vigorous international collaboration, that a fully developed global BGC Argo array is in place by 2030. Thank you.